Welcome to the world of online learning. I am Dr. G.K. Viju, Professor, University of Garden City, Khartoum, Sudan. We at GK Online Learning Tutorial emphasize on the topics from software engineering, project management, quality management, strategic management, and mathematics. Today we are going to discuss the topics from software engineering. Please subscribe to our channel for continuous support. The next topic, personal software process. PSP is a scaled down version of the industrial software process. PSP is suitable for individual use. It is important to note that SCI CMM does not tell the software developers how to analyze, design, code, test, or document the software products, but assume that engineers use effective personal practices. PSP recognizes that the process for individual use is different from that necessary for a team. The personal software process is a structured software development process that is designed to help the software engineers better understand and improve their performance by bringing disciplines to the way they develop software and tracking their predicted and actual development of the code. It is designed to assist the software developers in using sound engineering practices. PSP shows software developers how to plan and track their project, use a measured and defined process, establish goals, and track their performance against these goals. PSP assists engineers in managing software quality from the start of a project to completion, analyzing the result of each task, and using the result to improve the software process of the next project. Objective of personal software process. The aim of PSP is providing software developers with disciplined method and strategies for improving personal software development processes. PSP assists software engineers to improve their planning and estimating skills, make commitment and schedules they can keep and meet, reduce defects in their projects, manage the quality of their plans. Principles of PSP. The design of PSP is based on these planning, the following planning or the next phase, what I am going to tell, planning and quality principles. Every engineer is different. For software engineers to become more active, they should plan their work and base these plans on their personal data. To improve their performance, software engineers should personally use a regular and well-defined process. For software engineers to produce quality software products, they should feel personally responsible for the quality of the products they are making. Superior software products are never created by mistake, but by striving to do quality work. It is cheaper to trace and fix defects earlier than later. It's easier to prevent errors than finding and fixing them. The cheapest and the fastest way to do any task is doing it in the right direction. Doing a software engineering product the right way requires engineers to plan before committing or starting to work on a project. They must use a well-defined process when planning their work. For them to understand their performance, they must measure time spent on each step on the project, defects injected and removed, and the size of the software products they produce. PSP is a framework that helps engineers to measure and improve the way they work. It helps in developing personal skills and methods by establishing and planning by showing how to track performance against plans and provides a defined process which can be turned by individuals. Thus, a personal software process ensures that engineers plan, measure, and track the quality products. It also ensures that engineers focus on quality from the start of the project to the end with the aim of producing high quality software. In other words, PSP provides software engineers with a self-directed and disciplined personal framework for doing quality work. So this is an example for schematic representation and level of PSP. And the left side shows the schematic representation and the right side shows the levels of PSP. The basic level, the personal process, personal planning, personal quality management, PSP2, and the cyclic personal process, the PSP level 3. This is the end of the session. If you are having any queries, please write to me to the mail ID given here. Please Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.